You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
All right, guys, we're on the Bright Line, and I thought this would be a fun opportunity since we have 3 hours to do a what's in my bag video. So I have the new Chanel 25, which I waited so long for this bag. I'm obsessed with it. The crazy part is I really wanted the aqua color, and I did get the aqua color one, but then like a week later, my actual dream color, which is this one, because it's much better for my, you guys know we talk about color analysis on the channel. This color is much better in my wardrobe, so I was able to exchange it and get this one. Anyway, so this is actually my first time using the bag. The first thing I did this morning is we went out of the front door, and it was sitting on top of my carry-on like a total novice move, and I would put the handle around it. I forgot to do that, and it went face down right on like my brick pavers as I was pulling the suitcase. But luckily, this is caviar leather, and it did not leave a mark. Thank goodness. I would have gone crazy. So I'm getting used to this bag. And I want to show you guys what fits in it, because a lot of people have been complaining online like, oh, the 25 is not going to fit everything, and I don't like it because it's like it's all open at the top. Now I will say I had the topple with the suitcase. I also toppled it over in the lounge and some stuff fell out, and I toppled it over here and some stuff fell out. So I get why people don't love the open at the top. I think when I'm not traveling, it's going to work just fine, but it's because I have it so super stuffed today. So I'm going to show you exactly what I have inside, and we'll do all the stuff. So one of the cool things about this bag is it has this little CC logo, and you can make the bag bigger. So as you can see, now I do have a like an insert to protect the inside of the bag. It's not the insert that's made for this bag, so it's taking up a little more space. You probably, whatever you see today, you could fit more in the bag. But let's get through exactly what I have in here. So first thing, I have my house key because we had to lock the house this morning. I have my wallet. I have, oh my gosh, I travel with this everywhere. Have you guys seen this? So this is, my kids make fun of me. They're like, are you paying for a bottle of water? I'm like, well, one, we pay for a bottle of water everywhere we go, but this is like spray mist. So when I'm on an airplane or I'm traveling, if you just need a little hydration, and for some reason, I don't know how they do it, but it always feels cold when it comes out of here. So I always travel with one of those as well. What else do I have? Oh, always, most essential, hand sanitizer, and I'm obsessed with these Touchland ones. I have them in like all the different scents. So I don't have my glasses on, so Corin told me it says Power Mist. So, but I love these. They're so good and handy, especially when you're traveling, like before you eat and all the things. Have you guys seen these? These are the little Kate Spade. They came out earlier this year. Kate Spade lipstick holders. They have a little clip, so you can clip them. And I just thought these were so cute. I also have one that's in like a pink and orange color. $15. I mean, best thing in my purse. All right, we had to pause for a second because I came around to bring us our drink. So back to the Kate Spade. I love this thing. So it opens up, and then I have my Dior lipstick in here. I don't know what color. It's my favorite one recently. So I always have a lipstick, and one of the things I realized that I forgot, unfortunately, was I always bring chapstick. We're gonna have to buy one, and I'll add it to my collection of 8,000 chapsticks at home. But I don't usually travel ever without chapstick. But I do have my lipstick. And I think I have my oh yeah, I sure do. While we're on the lipstick track, I also have my matching Dior lip liner to go with that as well. So, priorities. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have my sunnies. So this is actually, they're not Tiffany sunglasses. These are from my regular glasses that I wear. But when I travel, I only like to use one glasses case because that takes up way too much space. So I'll put these on for fun. Okay, so as you guys can see, we've put a lot of stuff in here so far, right? Okay, now hair clip, right? How cute. That also is from the Kate Spade collection earlier this year. Okay, now this next thing if you live in Florida and you have nice bags, you're going to understand what this is. This is a little bag that you can unfold, so whenever it rains, which happens in the summertime, we're in summer season right now, it rains almost every single afternoon. So when I am traveling with my bags that I really care about, I can take this out and tie it up and put it around the bag. So a lot of times I go in looking fabulous, I come out looking like it's in an old grandma tote, because if it's raining, you can't risk getting water on your leather. That would be crazy. So this goes with me everywhere in the summer, and I have extras in my car. Okay, what else? Now we're going to get into the pockets, which you know is where all the secrets are. You guys, I found my chapstick. Oh, so hang on. This is so, I love it. I thought I didn't have it. Of course I had it in there because I pulled the insert from another bag, so I love that. All right, also I have in here, I always travel with my business cards, especially when you're traveling, you have a travel company, right? So I have my business cards in there. Now we're going to get into the really finer little stuff. Oh, I have an extra nail glue just in case. And I have little defoggers for your glasses. So if you wear glasses, you understand. Now these, I don't go anywhere lately without electrolyte packets. I love these. This is not sponsored. I just bring them, I toss them in my water, especially when you're traveling and you're getting dehydrated. So I always put 2 in my bag, and then I have probably like 5 or 6 more in my suitcase. So I'll have plenty for the way back as well. All right, let's see if I have anything else in these pockets. You guys are gonna laugh. I didn't even check before I was in here. I have another chapstick. I was so afraid I didn't have one. I have 2 in here. And I do have one more thing here. And then we have things in the side pockets too. I have my Grunz gummies. You guys, I swear by these. Someone told me about these for like daily digestion and gut health. I love these. In fact, my whole family loves them. When I buy them, I have to hide a percentage of them so they don't go too crazy, because the kids eat them like they're gummy bears, which they're not. It's like kind of like a 1-a-day thing. All right, so that's it. Now, also keep in mind, I can also fit my camera that I'm filming on and this microphone fit in there too if I'm very strategic with how I put everything together. Now, the last thing I have one in each pocket, so I'm not going to open both, but I have our train tickets for the way back. Don't want to lose those. Ready for tomorrow. And then one thing, if you have followed me for a while, you'll know that I always carry, because whenever I'm out in the world, I always meet some of you guys. So I always carry a couple grape soda pins. So if you meet me in person, just say hello, and if I have one of these with me, I will give you one. So I always have a couple of those. If you guys follow our other channel, you'll know that what my real job is I am a CEO in the travel industry for a company called Wanderlust Campus, and we teach people how to launch, grow, and supersize their travel businesses. So I run into travel advisors, travel agents, travel agency owners, partners in travel everywhere. In fact, we have a relationship with Brightline as well. And in our other video that was talking about this trip overall, I talk a little bit about how travel agents can earn 20% commission on Brightline. So if you missed that, go back and check it out, because I kind of go over that as well. And for all my students, we will share that information with you on how to do that. And this is my reminder for you: if you are not already using a certified travel professional, make sure you look for this badge that I'm going to pop up here on screen. Your travel professionals guys can take care of all of these arrangements for you. They can book it for you. They can save you money. For example, on this trip, I booked the tickets early, but then last minute the rates went down, so I was able to rebook them and get a credit back to use towards, originally it was just me and my husband coming, but we decided to bring the kids, and we had $150 credit. So that's the kind of stuff travel advisors do without you even asking or knowing about it. There's so many things in the world of travel. If you don't know, you don't know. So use a certified travel professional. Just a little plug for my friends in the industry as well. And we are getting ready to put a registry together of all of the certified travel professionals that I trust, love, and that I know are fully trained and skilled. We're gonna get that for you, and it'll be on a list soon. When we add it, we're gonna put it in the video description, so watch for that. In the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell right here on YouTube. All right, I'm going to go ahead and repack this bag. It is a whole mess right here, but let me know if you guys liked that. If you're thinking about the Chanel 25, you guys, I love this. And I will say, I want to make a comment about this particular bag, because I saved for it and I waited 4 months for that mint color one. The mint color one and this one were in different ballparks quality wise. People have been talking about the quality level of Chanel being, sometimes good, sometimes not good, declining. When I went into boutique and saw this bag and I took it home and I had them both at home at the same time, the other one was just more floppy. Like if you love that like really like leather that's just like soft and supple and just falls, that's great. I like a more structured, and this one just, I know it's gonna get more floppy with use, but it was totally different. And even, how like with a Chanel bag you can hear the chain. This one I could hear it on, and this is from the pre-fall collection. The teal and the minty one, it was not the same. Like I couldn't hear that noise, and the chain even seemed like it was a little bit thinner. So wherever that one was made compared to where this one was made, it was different ballpark. So I was really happy that I could exchange and get this one instead. That made me super, super happy, and I'm 100% happy with this bag. I think this is going to be like my new day-to-day between this and my Picatinny for travels. I don't know that I will use this one a ton for travel because of the openness. Of course, we're on a train, we're not on a plane, and I have my husband with me, and it's like very secure situation. I like a closed bag. In fact, I honestly don't bring designer bags when I travel. I will have a Dooney and Burke that I can like abuse and all the things when I'm traveling on a plane. But since we're going on a more luxe trip this weekend and having fun, I thought let's get the new girl out and try her. And so far I'm loving her so much because I can put her over my shoulder and do all the things. So, all right guys, I know this video is going long. I love you so much. Wherever you are in the world, I want to remind you that real wealth is health, joy, having time to do things with your family, and true wealth is not about excess, it's about alignment. So of course we want to have some little treasures and baubles as we go through our lives and collect, but the most important thing to collect is love and health and good times. So I hope you guys like this video today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Suitcase packed, world on my side, luxury living joy is my guide.